to Kendra's Art Class. This is my first video, and today we're going to be drawing a rainbow unicorn. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like drawing. For this drawing, you need a piece of paper, some colored pencils. If you don't have colored pencils, you could also use markers or crayons. And for the outline, you're going to need a black marker. The first step of drawing this rainbow unicorn is you're going to draw the eyes. Just draw a circle and then draw another smaller circle on the top and draw one small circle on the bottom and then color the rest in. But we're not done yet on the eyes. After you do that, go around the eyes a little bit like this. And if you want, you can give the unicorn some eyelashes, like this. Do them thin, if you can, like this. The next step of drawing this rainbow unicorn is this is going to be like the top of the head. So for the top of the head, you're going to go down a little bit like this. And then you're going to do like the nose a little bit like that. Now it's time for the third part. You're doing a great job so far, guys. We're going to be doing the mane. For the mane, you're going to do a wavy line. You're going to connect it and do it wavy if you want. If you don't want to do it wavy, that's okay. You can just do it straight. You can do as many wavy lines as you want. Just make the hair look very pretty. You can also go to the front here and draw like some bangs or whatever you want to call this, like for the top of the head. Also, if you want, you can draw a little nostril here. Now it's time for the next step. Our unicorn is starting to come together. We're going to be doing the ears. For the ears, just draw a triangle, but you don't have to do the bottom of the triangle because that's going to be connected by the mane. And then you're doing a smaller triangle inside. You guys are doing great. Now on this part of the tutorial, we're going to be doing both the back and the horn. Let's start off with the horn. For the horn, you're going to do a skinnier triangle, kind of like the ear. And you're going to be doing just some detail in it. So do a couple lines up the horn if you want. Now it's time for the back. Just draw a straight line over by the mane ended. We're going to finish the back, do the rest of it later. So for the next part, we're actually going to be finishing the body a little bit. So we round it off like this. And here we're going to be doing the tail. So come down, kind of like an S, and you come do that again. And then you can do that about 3 times, so that it looks like it's the tail. Now we're going to be doing the hooves. For the hooves, I think it's the easiest part. Draw a straight line down right by where you ended from the tail, and then draw another straight line down. After that, connect them at the bottom and draw a line for the hooves. Then you're going to be doing that again. Do that. So go a little straight line and go down, and then do the hooves right there. And now draw a line, and then do another line right here. This is going to be a diagonal line. Straight line right next to that line, and then end it off at the bottom, and do another hoop. Alright, the last hoop. Diagonal line, and go straight down, and then do another hoop. Okay, now you're gonna do the stomach part, and you're gonna cap it off by going together with the nose we did. And now for the last step, we're gonna do the wings. Go up a little bit and go down until you get to the bottom and do these little bumps down. And then you're gonna trace that from the back. Then do little lines inside like this. And that's how you do the wings. the last thing that this unicorn is missing is a beautiful smile. So we're gonna go like this. And like that. This is the last step of the unicorn. We're gonna be coloring it. You can use whatever colors you want, but I'm just gonna show you what I think would look good on the unicorn. Now you don't have to do this, it's just a suggestion. For the eyes, I'm gonna be doing like a blue color. I'll probably do like this blue color. And for the hooves, I'm gonna be doing pink. And I might shade the body in with like little shades of pink. And then for the tail and mane, I'll be doing rainbow. And then for the inside of the ear, I'll do pink. And then for the horn, I'll do pink. Now that the drawing is done, I'm going to be speeding the video up and coloring it. I'm sure you guys are doing a great job so far. I'm just showing you the colors that I think look pretty on the unicorn. You guys could just use whatever colors you want, but I think these are good on the unicorn. Thanks for drawing this unicorn with me in Kendra's art class. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye!